How to fix iPhone 16 series not charging when plugged in. Let's get started. First, check the charging cable and adapter. A faulty cable or adapter can prevent your iPhone from charging. Test the cable and adapter with another device. Use an official Apple certified cable and charger. Clean the charging port. Dust, lint, or debris in the Lightning or USB port, depending on the model, can block the connection. Use a soft bristled brush or compressed air to gently clean the port. Avoid using sharp objects to prevent damage. Next, restart your device. For that, you can navigate to your settings. Now, head over to the option General, scroll all the way down, click on the option of Shutdown. You'll get the slider, slide that icon to the right. With that, your phone will be turned off. Now you have to wait for a few minutes. Then press and hold on the power button given at the left side of your device. For that, your phone will restart. Next, check for software updates. For that, navigate to the option of Software Update. If you find any existing updates over here, just update your phone software to its latest version. Likewise, ensure proper connection. The cable may not be inserted fully into the port. Firmly plug the cable into the charging port until it clicks into place. Use a different power source. The power outlet or USB port you are using might be not working. Try a different outlet, power stripe, or USB port on a computer. Ensure the power source is supplying sufficient power. Likewise, you can force restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. If none of these solutions work, what you have to do is contact Apple support. Visit an Apple store or authorized service provider for your professional diagnosis. If the iPhone is under warranty, you may be eligible for free repairs or replacement. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue and get your iPhone 16 series charging again. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.